been waiting here all alone, just being patient, hoping that someday you make it home. Feeling so lost, scrounging for quarter portions, not even aware of my fate against the dark forces. Now every morning when I'm waking up, I got a feeling that there's something more to life. I can feel it calling me, it's like I got another me that's waking up inside. Why you keeping secrets from me? Why you been telling me lies? I can feel the anger deep inside me slowly swell and rise. I cannot keep going on pretending that this is all I'm meant for. It's something I can't ignore, how the force just keeps on calling me in more. So here I am looking for you, trying to find you for what they do. Got a bad feeling about this, but your last hope is true. Ever since I was a little kid, I heard the stories and I thought that they were lies. Now it's all real, now it's all real. The story of the man who could walk the skies. I believe in that, searching desperately to find the map. And by the way, I thought you might want this. Ever since I was a little kid, I heard the stories and I thought that they were lies. Now it's all real, now it's all real. The story of the man who could walk the skies. I believe in that, searching desperately to find the map. And by the way, I thought you might want this.